How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to a cold Grampie's workshop. Minus 17 last night, and it's cold. We had a little bit of snow, so we're going to try plowing first time this winter. But I don't have to go in the Massey motel to get my Massey Ferguson GC2300 awesome tractor because it's still in the shop. I just did some maintenance on it yesterday, so good timing. We're going to go start her up, bring it out, and just at least plow out the lane. Maybe not the landing so much, but do the lane. Snow sliding off the steel roof makes a big bank right in front of the garage door. I need to do a little more prepping before plowing. To keep snow from sticking to the blade, I spray it with diesel fuel. Then back into the shop and start to plow away that snowbank. I always struggle with the first push. Where do I put it? Notice how I angle the blade to help steer the tractor. Angle to the left, go to the right, and vice versa. So I decided to plow the first push right across the landing. Then back to the shop to do more battle with that bank. Oh, it's frozen pretty good. As I approach the end of the push, I straighten the blade so I can push the bank even. Then back to do more scraping on that snowbank. I'll push this one over by the camp. And back again to try and get rid of that snow. Didn't get much of it that time, so I may as well just push this load across the landing. Going to try a different angle of attack this time. Snow is crusty and hard, and that makes it tricky to steer. I missed the bank totally with this pass. Let's try it again. Didn't get much that try. Okay, one more time. Oops, mulligan. Success, finally. Try another angle. Back drag with lots of down pressure. That's a little bit better. Maybe one more try from the inside. Getting little bits with each pass is about as good as it gets, I guess. So I move on and start to plow the lane. I start by plowing down the right side on the way out. It's a sin to see all my gravel being plowed off the lane. I want to plow as close to this tree as you can. Just missed it. Perfect. It's kind of stop here because I need to shift to low gear to plow up to the road. Hard to tell, but it's a pretty good climb up to the road. Then I square the blade as I plow across it. Then start back down the left side as I plow back in the lane. I plow as close to the edge of the lane as I can to make the lane as wide as possible. using the blade again to help steer. I'll push this load down by the swings. Then another pass out the lane, plowing down the center though this time. The snow is rolling off the blade pretty good. That diesel fuel is sure doing its job, no sticking. Sorry about the sunshine glare, but that sun is nice to see, eh? I plow the snow right across the road. It keeps the road a lot smoother that way. Then the trip back in the lane, also going down the center. Sorry I only have the cab cam video. The other camera clips were unreadable. Now one more trip out and back, going down the sides to finish it off. Let's see if I can miss the tree again. Ha ha, fooled you, I missed it. Or did I? together, 3 trips out and 3 trips in, and that usually clears the lane to about 12 to 14 feet wide. After plowing the lane, I spent some time clearing the landing, but that's a video for another time. Now to put the Massey Ferguson GC2300 awesome tractor back in the Massey. I'm so glad I built this shelter for the tractor. Well, we did a kind of a halfway decent job there plowing out the lane and landing. Snow was awful crusty, because we got about 2 or 3 inches, then it got mild, and then it went down to minus 17 last night and everything froze up, so it was crusty and hard to plow. But the old Massey Ferguson GC2300 awesome tractor was awesome today, pushed a lot of snow. So thanks a lot for watching. Sure hope you're having a great week wherever you are, and that I hope the snow is not too much for trouble for you. And stay warm, folks. Don't forget thumbs up me too, right? And we'll talk to you.